Hey Zach. Okay, so you asked me about this question, right? Okay, this question says, okay, so we go through the obvious thing first. If we read this, the first thing it says that it's platinum, so it's inert electrode, right? So D is out because loss of mass is only related to reactive electrode, not inert electrode, right? Because only reactive electrode can rot away, so D is out. Okay. Number two, C, not number two. The current flow in cell 1 is greater than cell 2. Both cell 1 and cell 2 uses and connects to the same battery. So the amount of current both receive should be the same. So therefore, C is also out. So C, D both is out. So we're only left with A and B. So with B, it says the anion of solution in cell 1 is different from the anion in solution of cell 2. So if you read this, right, it says aqueous solution of single salt. All 4 electrodes are platinum. Q and S. So the focus will be Q and S. That's what you label. Q and S both are cathode, right? So increase in mass during the electrolysis, no gas was given off in Q or S. So they say no gas is given off Q and S. To say Q and S is not a gas, and on top of that, didn't give us any information, we cannot confirm anything for B, whether cell 1 and cell 2 is the same or different. Because we are just given that cell 1, cell 2, anode side, no gas. Yeah, no gas. Then what? Then we don't know. But if you look at A, okay, if you look at A, it says cell 1 is different from cell 2. When it comes to electrolysis, connects to the same battery, and then the outcome, the mass is different. What does it mean? It means that it can be, and it must be different metals. Why? Okay, I'll give you an example. We have something called silver, Ag plus E, then let's say Ag. And we go for copper, Cu2 plus 2E, and give you Cu. So this is the first scenario. The amount of electrons needed to discharge them is different. So the amount that actually discharge in the end will also be different. That's the first scenario. Okay? Second scenario, let's say Ag. We changed it to, let's say, hydrogen. I mean, it's not hydrogen. Hydrogen is not a metal. Let's somehow pick molten, and let's say we get Na plus E becomes Na, right? So if you were to look at the periodic table under silver, we got 108. So basically, this one mole of it is 108 grams. 1 mole of this will be 23 grams. So what they are trying to say is, no matter how much, even if the electron is the same, given the electron different, outcome will be different in moles, agree? Even if the electrons is the same, if the final amount of metal, the molar mass is different, the final mass will be different, because it says electrode Q and electrode S increase in mass, right? But it says that if increase in mass is Q is greater, that means Q and S mass is different. It means that the cation in cell 1 and cell 2 must be different. As I already said, cation different might have different amount of electrons to discharge, or same amount of electrons, same mole, but different molar mass. So, summary, if everything connects to the same battery and it discharge, and then the product mass gain is different, that means the cation must be different. Okay? Thank you.